Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to log into your GBOX accounts. So, paano ba at ano bang kailangan nating application para makalogin sa GBOX? At pag sinabing GBOX, ano ba yon? Okay. Umpisa natin sa pag-click ng or pag-open ng Google Chrome. Okay. Kailangan natin Google Chrome kasi GBOX is simply a Google inbox. In short, GBOX. So, kaya nagkaroon ng GBOX kasi ito yung mga business email addresses ng Google para sa mga organizations. May mga organization kasi na nagpo-purchase ng business accounts. So, para magkaroon ng parehas na email address ang isang company or organization. For example, Ateneo, may sariling GBOX account ang lahat ng empleyado at estudyante ng Ateneo Dinaga University. So, usually, kinukuha yung first letter ng first name and then i-combine with the last name. So, for example, in my case, my name is Ezekiel Luzano. So, my email address is eluzano at gbox.adnu.edu.ph. Meaning, yung GBOX account is dedicated only for ADNU employees and students. So, basically, Google lang naman siya, Google account. Or sometimes, it is called G Suite. Kasi, pag sinabing G Suite, hindi lang email yung pwede mo ma-access. Kasama na dyan yung mga applications na pinoprovide ng Google such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google, ano pa ba? Basta, marami pang iba. So, yun ang explore natin. At paano ba mag-login sa GBOX para hindi ka na mamroblema kapag nag-login ka, yung lahat ng extensions na in-install mo sa computer mo, papasok lahat yon or magsisync in lahat yon. Okay, nabuksan na natin yung Google Chrome. What we need to do is to log in. Pero, ang pag-login natin, hindi lang yung login na nandito sa email, kundi ilalogin natin yung Chrome mismo. So, paano mag-login dun sa Chrome application mismo? So, nakikita nyo dito sa upper right corner, below the close button and minimize. Yan. We have here the current user. So, since walang nakalogin, wala kang makikitang picture dyan or nakalogin na account. So, to log in, click on that. And then, instead of logging in, click add. Kasi, what if may mga nakalogin na dyan dati? So, para hindi yon magalaw, we need to add a new user. So, click this one. Then, type your name. For example, in my case, King. And then, pipili ka ng avatar mo or picture na gusto mo dito that will represent your account. So, for example, Panda. Then, add. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nag-open siya ng new tab. At yung current user, ito naman yung pinili mo, yung ginawa mo. May sarili ka ng profile ngayon. So, what we need to do is to sign in. Then, you will be given an option kung Filipino ba gamitin mo or English. In my case, mas sanay ako gumamit ng English. So, let's now type the email address. Ito yung email address na binigay sa inyo ng company or organization. For example, ang Ateneo, yan ang ginawang email address binigay sa inyo. So, if you're a student, definitely may na-receive kang Google account or GBOX account and password. So, type na natin. For example, in my case, eluzano@gbox.adnu.edu.ph. Then, click next. Then, type here now the default password or kung mayroon ka ng sariling password, i-type mo na yung password mo. Siyempre, ang makikita mo lang dyan, ... Then, next. Then, kung may two-way verification ka, just like mine, for security purposes, so, may magte-text sa akin. Okay, na-receive ko na yung message. Ito yung verification code ko. 750259. Okay. And then, you'll be asked, link Chrome data to this account. Gusto mo bang i-link? So, para sa akin, pag i-click ko yung link data, para lahat ng apps, bookmarks, history, passwords, and other settings will be permanently tied to this account. So, careful lang kayo kung may mga password kayong nakalagay dyan. Kung hindi mo ito computer, i-delete mo yung mga history mo or passwords na nakasave. Kasi kung hindi, pwede yan makita ng iba. So, click link data. Then, click yes, I'm in. You can always choose what to sync in settings. Then, yes, I'm in. Then, let's wait. Now, you can see here, my picture. Kasi ako yung nakalagin. Hindi lang sa Gmail nakalagin, kundi sa buong application ng Google Chrome web browser. Okay? Mapansin nyo, nagsisync na dito yung mga extensions na ginagamit ko, such as Nimbus Screenshot. Kasi ginagamit ko yan pang screenshot ng mga page or picture na pwedeng ilagay ko sa lesson. So, mas madali kasi yan. And other extensions, nandito na rin yung Google Meet Grid View, Attendance, Node Reactions. Okay? Next. So, we can now click on Gmail at makikita mo na yung mga email mo. So, nandito na yung inbox mo. This is now your Gmail inbox. And here you can click this Google Apps and choose whatever applications you want to choose. So, pwedeng open mo yung Google Drive, gumawa ka ng Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. You can see your Google Calendar. You can also have the Google Chat, Google Meet, Google Sites, and Google Contacts, at marami pang iba. So, nandyan. Next question is, Sir, paano ba gumamit ng Google Meet? So, dapat, okay, open muna natin tong Google Meet. Okay. So, here, all you need to do is to know the link para dun sa Google Meet room nyo. So, for example, i-click ko tong example na ginawa ko. Okay. Allow. Okay. Usually, ang sinisend sa inyo na link ay eto. Ito yung binibigay sa inyong address or link na i-click nyo to join the group Meet or Google Meet room. So, i-close ko muna to. So, open a new tab. I-paste mo lang dyan yung binigay sa yung link or URL, then press enter. Or sometimes, pag sinend sa inyo, clickable na yun. Pag click nyo, eto rin yung pupuntahan niya. It will be open in a new tab. And then all you need to do is to join the Google Meet room. So you have the option to mute yourself and turn off your camera. So for example, click join now. At dito mo na makikita yung mga participants at kasama mo sa Google Meet room. Okay? So once done, end call. Okay? So yun lang naman. So I hope malinaw yung pag-login sa GBOX account na Google account lang naman pala. Okay po? And make sure mag-log out ka kung nag-login ka sa computer ng iba. Or, for example, humiram ka ng computer, nag-login ka doon, pagkatapos mong gumamit, i-sign out mo. Okay? So, click sign out. So, para walang ibang makagamit ng account mo or whatever synced in your account. Di nila makikita yung mga email mo or whatsoever.